LTN Luo Trending Nation. Mopandi inyenyo elela.
Joka mamai tumbili to one kai LTN. Yo, what's up guys? This is Tumbili na niko chilled ndani ya Luo Trending Nation. Keep it locked.
LTN Luo Trending Nation.
Luo Trending Nation, LTN, the best ahead of the rest.
Aya, wacha kodugo kae ndi kaka pile. We akwonga madh na juice, ere juice ni ngato ka ngato gi juice. Ngato gi juice. Should we cheer up? Let us cheer. Aya, bwana we cheer to idwa me. Idwa ni mondo gine juice wewa. Ngato ko cheer titere dho.
Ne umari bigeni gini okigoe matek ibro to glass.
Aberi. Waketi gini kumoki pukre. Wadu ko wonu andi Chief Ombote. Chief Ombote majoge kia. Gikongo okongo mosiji.
Ido jiong'e moloya.
Karwa ka.
Ka pamobete irumi.
Ang'eni ti joga moka dek mosebedo ka ng'iyo koro kawuono gineno ka wana dek koro to ma.
Oh matanga.
Kawuono ko yes.
Mos joge.
Yes. Koro an iluonga no Chief Ombote. AKA Nera. AKA Masinere.
Wuoyi mand Sam home and away.
Ne uruondo ji. In mana handsome ne jogi.
Ang'eyo ni gik manyien kuom maneno moti.
Mana ngeni ex na. Digo kanyo de. Owacha dieri. Onge handsomeness kanyo. Mano nyiego.
Kaka nuweru.
Omari ni kumineno mari gisi ni tinga mojogo. Nyako mako ya screen do check. Tonti nyako
mako neno mari.
Chunye chwer the same to you. Omari wega wuondi ni jaber.
Lakini hata to so chatok be.
Anta wacho. Kuma ng'ato dhi tera onge. In fact, amadho juice to korumo tamedo. Koro in gimiro wacho to kamedo.
Mano badi.
Gimarach ni ng'ato samoro wuoyo marae. To juice ma ingeni koro
moko wuoyo ka gima en mano keli Nairobi.
To luxury to konya yo.
Mokonyi manyeti.
Wait, luxury
chiewi ga mondo dhi e tini.
Kata last time mano madho gino bokia. To biro koni ne glass ok makamano.
An gimo kadwa na wuondo. Life na to kabilimit. Kang'iyo gima ng'ato dhe comment. Sawa, niyo sani umari iduong okoni go bendi wuoyo kamano. Kata duong to baba uto kambasi.
Eng'eya iluwa nikech timbe nago.
Badi gini vipejo dia.
Inyalo bloka.
Ka dembora to kinyao yao radio. Me wach ni tajako wachang'o.
Omari.
Koro we puonja kaka jidembore.
Emiduogi wijo niya. Iwijo ni. Ati gini Omari ni. Ombote ni. Ajako ojoga. Kwani simbe no onge block button.
Aluongo gi gane ya. Fans mofuwa.
Fuondo to kora bwe alor wiya. Ano fans okiyanyiga. Lakini wadhi amo. Jigo wami iluwa. Angi gimoro mionge go.
Ng'ato is your fan in denial.
En fan yoero gimitimo. Lakini ukudwa hiyo.
Okinyal like for example, nachiwo example the other time. Ng'ato wero Chinese. Kong shung pong chururungu weng. Kas gino kawinji, then at the timeline de just China. Takoni ni yawa. Teme uruwerga gikizungu.
Ema wacho ni yani. Raura murumpande mama wa onyuolo ni. Omomiyo inyalo dhi TikTok wacho na jako ni chalga nade.
Exactly.
Inyalo dhi Facebook wacho na jako ni
chalga nade.
Ta jako no brain nani nikech an mandike ta direct ta produce radio maduong kamacha. Emomiyo ine case na ida puonja tija. Mana sen tiyo 15 years. Emomiyo imanya idwa ng'e na chalga nade.
Jothu maki medhi e sel we puonjo jogo ni aha kuma dake to ji ok pielendo. Chieng miwuok kanyo biro piele cho e odi. Koro ine jendwa. Asema kisawa you are under. Koro gimitime jela.
Mano be ochudi. Kaka bomiyo sauti ni wuog mamit. Kati somo news, kati somo every time apuonjo nyathini ang'e ni mato luor adwa miyo kik obed maluor. Itido puonja kaka ipuonjo ga ji sound. Gima nochule na fee.
Odwa duoke school.
Ati mama ni mjinga sana. Mjinga sana tami ng'uono. Matango ni gik matimoga mondo sauti joko timna. Tidwa puonja.
Kar mondo ibed motivated mondo ibetim kamano.
No. Adwa na duok miri machien ajako. Gombuti wadwa no duok miri machien. Gima kawuono adwa ni wagomba kamatin kata kono. Gimudhi view to maru.
Yes.
Jothurwa kik wawuondre. Oningo bedni wa move ge piny. Kaka penye dhi e
kaka wadhi.
Digital wise?
Analog.
Analog chise ai bana mama. Ina ne okidhi do. Wadhi mbele.
An Ethiopia. Think about pod in 2017.
Chon tire jok mono kene music nyalo bedo business, then business. You get it?
Yes.
Chon nitie jok mono kene talent pays.
Don't say music. Talent nyalo bedo business. Andalo mana timo tijini. Onge ng'ama nong'eyo ni ng'ato nyago ajawa. Mobed sele. Onge ng'ama nong'eyo ni ng'ato nyandiko dika nungo neno miel. To bedo sele. Mobed nyaka gi school mapuonjo ji miel. Wandalo chani nyiso wani mama nacho ni sienda ni mineno isiki mikono kuba boterio.
Baba siku ni seto kanye.
Omari. Mona media kanyo. An no kang'eyo ndalo mane pod atin. Ni ywaka ne nyalo miyo ng'ato bedo celeb.
To dongo timore kik wawuond. Ni ng'ato bete ode. To wacho ni werite ng'ane odwa ywaga ng'o kawuono.
Ng'ane dwa ywaga ng'o?
Ng'ane dwa ywaga ng'o.
Kendo jaywak.
Kendo kopone budho kokiyok tipenje ni ng'ato romo ko itoko ni yawa ti budho.
Tine budho.
Lal okiywagi.
Kata ka ywak no luoro to wachino kaneniga. Ngino ko yok ywak tinde.
To ya ayanya nyami dhuolo ni. Ibedo celeb. En profession.
Mangato to tiu tije ma sweat to dak e singru. But jayanyo dak e.
Anga jasingo room chema ema oro pesa ne.
Jasingo room cha ema oro pesa. Ngato dhige to bedroom.
Jayanyo dhige to bedroom.
To jayany yani jayany wuoyo matenie to ng'ama nie singo odak e bed sitter gi sufuria e room achiel. To ema pod oro pesa mondo ng'ato nyiewgo gari.
Wuoyo marach ne gift mara.
Gifta nino. Mama koro nwa chako wacho nitie agulu moro muketeji.
Nikech gifta. Kineno gifta gi ng'ama
gift. Kineno ng'at ma wiye ler. Ng'ato donje cho. Dieo. Tioro ne present.
Bewi tiyo.
Bewi konyi.
We support any potential in the society.
Kenero ka ng'ato gi.
Kopo ni ati potential mari inyalo dhi e cho kech anadwa na ne gik ma miss.
Ni ng'ato kao othinyo mopoto to keto to hakore to ng'ato wacho ni how much is an handkerchief?
We mano.
To daka ka ng'ato gola handkerchief. Ni onge da pade no kao lawni no ywego ume. Onge handkerchief madhi nyiewo.
Odhio many kama odakie.
Nini umefanya? Nini umefanya? Kwani kuna handkerchief? Hakuna tishu.
Okini handkerchief pesa dika pesa ile yeo.
Nini umefanya? Dadi nini umefanya? Hebu kuja hapa pa tukisonga. Next time okonya tinyo. Okonya kao lawe na tinyo.
Talent.
Mano.
Yani one get talent mag yuak.
Nego talent.
One get talent mag.
Kagino nyalo miyo ng'ato riembo gari. Nyapinya u.
Yuaka ni.
Babu gine be mawuog tutu ngech kopo no dhinyo to riembo gari. Kare ka tutu bas.
Inyo ne lori.
Wijeria.
Mani gani ki private jet.
Ini kan lori pesa di long distance.
Paro ni kamano mano tenya. Kare kinya lo choko chir matin. Tin lok nge ye kamar.
Tigum negi.
Ini ki private jet.
Ya kare dia rago ya.
Wadi na. Omari wacha kodi. Nani je kamechi.
Alo jira tag gibete.
Bas. Chaka ne omari kamera chu.
Gima kawuona na yudo madwa timo. Ok en kata mano. Sani kendo business ma kendo donjo ma sell en liel.
Bas, an ng'eno mari. An liel mora motimore e gweng'wa. Katubeni ok en watna. Mano watna Nyasache la biro live usoli.
Ini naro gino.
Amoka ring light sim da.
Gino sani kako sell maber. An mayinin gweng. Akiani ajako dhikete kanye. An county. County wa. No washia governor. Ina thewa. Governor wa.
Lakini
No. Wewe manyo shida mukia.
Oxy. Mano business.
Sani, okay. Ajako kuponi donje e linda. E timeline. To
Timeline di ukadonje ga ponemo.
Awawacho ni tikuru waluongo live. Kuji riwore. Agolo poster. Awacho ni ibiro join. Ombuti ibiro join. Ombuti ibiro gi 100 followers. Ini ibiro gi 120.
Omari. Podo tendo. Nyasaye nitie. Nyasaye manie polo. Neno gik moko ma jomuchayo ga winjo sani winjo ni kinja 40 titi. Usionge. Wewe nilikaya
nyanya neno.
Kaka nyanya uno korado wuoyo. The laws of the universe. Ne, you attract what comes to you. Inanga semigo chongi pincho mari ni lemo. Nyasaye okdomi gima pok ni kwaega. We gombo gimok nyalo. Akweru kabet kaka ngama duong. Mimi ni nyanya yenu nimesema. Mnaweza ona tumefika hapa chini wajinga. You attract what comes to you Mbote.
Anote to business.
There's nothing like business.
Kanyi tukuru. Ingeno wala okudibe.
Omari muma wacho ni onge ngama biro chiemo kokotiyo. Ang'o mekudwa ti?
Tung manu tich yawo.
Peri.
Ingeni beda
apenji ng'ato to kumothoe. Inese ka lieli choko idwa nyiewo go mtoka. Gweth mane mimanyo. Kam Nyasaye ochako biro kuomi gi mang'eny.
Weche mopondo, weche mopandi, inyenyo elela.
Kineno kokuok kuomi matiende ni onge.
Isebe.
Ne sigana mamulo ngimani, sigandi joluo, joajawa.
Jothum mokwongo kapok waduogo kuom joangla. Ong'eane life mar jothum gi familia margi. Ineno.
Luo Trending Nation ni ong'ala manyime mar gundo ni wechegi kaka gitimore kod ng'ama otimogi maonge deo wang'.
Ochiem mariek nikech be samoro.
Tudri kodwa seche duto, ndalo duto, kinde duto e tong wang' mbui mar YouTube, TikTok, Facebook mondo yudu wechegi kamora mora ma intie mana kar bedo.
Kete mana kai. Kete mana kokidwa kete ka to bro keti gi thuon.
Luo Trending Nation, LTN. The best ahead of the rest.
Ne oganda luo kendo e piny luo. Oganda wopong kod were mathoth mapoko yangi. Nyota mag rowere bura dimo ka duond jowa modhuro bende poko winji. Wakeloni Luo Talent Search mabiro kod tekre makende. Ma en chino mowuok oko mar yango kendo konyo jogo man kod were mar miyo ji nyiero, wer, miel, lendo kod mamoko mathoth. Luo Talent Search biro mar neno ni lek magi ochopo kare. Be in kod oteku mar bedo duond Luo, bedo sulwe mar oganda Luo. Riwri kodwa mondo piny ngima one mich mani ogwedhigo. Ma kik bai. Your talent, our stage. Let the search begin.
You know, this Ready dancehall artist. I'll be performing at Luo Talent Search 15th April 2025.
Luo Trending Nation, LTN, the best ahead of the rest.
Ajako ni kono ni watindo. Ruoth ok nyal mi gima okelamo. Ket gini, keta madwa ni yudo masawa.
Bas.
Keta kata kamano one sawa.
Bas.
Isichako record.
One sawa.
Omari. Uchopo generation where you don't believe so much in God. Then we go back to science. I'll take you back to science. The law of attraction. You know. You watch when you attract your good things to yourself. They will come. I'm sorry, I always sound like I'm nini, but yeah, it's there. I read a lot. From where you sleep, how you dress, you're told to put on nice perfume on yourself. Put on a nice dress. Make your hair nicely. So that when the first person you meet will tell you, you look nice in the morning. It brightens your day. You know. So the laws of attraction teach you to check out I promise you that the laws of science. The universe says that you attract what comes to you. Kile mga tuwacho kani yan chieng moro. Nyaka riembo mto kama Raila riembo. It will come to you. Then somebody musiko gamanani ana chandra.
Na ongego. Muso lwete okobibiro. So I'm back to my point. Death is ugly osiepa. Liel mit mna kajirani. Inyalo tuange lao.
Oknopimna. Death is the most ugly thing you can ever wish on yourself. Omit seche mineno no. Kata unangeu. Ubiro ga kasande wabet wagombaka. Kochopo niko ni miyo dhogi mokinya milingthi. It's a different story. We uru gombo mliel. Aye nutendo. One wati. Idea yetu inaanza na to something. My friend. Ngamano wacho nini ngamedugo ni akili ni nywele. Waseneno. In our lives. Ineno kakukasrugi liel. That is the no, don't interrupt me. Ineno gimukasruga ni liel. I want to give my own experience. Omari okibigo lakanyo. I come from a good family. In our village, go and check. I think we're the richest family in that village. That's a fact. From my uncles and everything. I grew up thinking that everything is smooth. To the point that I can tell you, and then I got a good job. You are in the limelight. You are thinking everything is smooth. Siya manenya sayon I cannot tap. Okachu. Watoka we chunguru lembo. Chunguru leo. Mimi niko na pesa. My friend nitie ngamani hospital mauso lope. Gintoke. Mondo thiedhre just to save their life. Inyalo chiyo kawuono. You can go to bed rich today and tomorrow. I'm back to my point. My mom was a cancer patient. For 4 years, I sold everything that I used to brag about. Those cars went. The only thing my mom ago is a job. And that's why I can't see get speed governor a dog. I'm rich. And I have a good job because the job can be lost. I live for the day. Tolewa to? Kede. Banga to ngisini nge ni dagi nyako ni nganya min Raila sawa. But I will never come in to tell you, see what. Karaila no to? There's tomorrow. Huh? Rokoro sani wacho ni mimi niko na watoto. My friend, I was alive to see a woman bury 3 kids in a day. Nithinde te. And all of them are over 20. And it was in the papers and I was like, oh my God. I always blame God for taking my parents. At least I say no me ayuaga kenda kudra kenda chaka aikmo moro. That lady lost 3 children or one kajiparo ni gin jokuoe in a day. Kueni na akiba ya maneno. Kueni na akiba ya maneno.
But
no. There's a supreme being up here that we don't know about. Owinjoji. Obro puonjo uma malit be. Madogi limp. Onge. I don't understand a wise person. The only way to get rich is to kill people. Nesebo mi uliel. I always tell my friends, this is me working odi mi duogo. Thank Nyasaye. Nikech nitie ng'ama nowuok adier to jogorod ka okokalo. Nitie ng'ama nowuok ade uyombwa to Nakuru kata kotima okokalo. Life is not guaranteed. And tomorrow, that is the only myth that God took away from us. Are you assured of tomorrow? You're only hoping that you're going to have a good day. Kuweni na akiba ya maneno na vituko. Waiye no utendo. But kuweni na akiba ya maneno. Tomorrow is so much unknown. It can be short, it can be long. And Kama is a bitch. Kama is a fucking bitch. It's real. Ero wacha no tuparo mtugo ni celebrity, my friend. Kama is a bitch. And that Kama mwasho nikechoko wa Nyasaye. Onya lolo nyuduke mbeleji. Nyasaye mwewe kume is a very just God. Seche miya anyagani ama seche miya nyombuti seche matimo ni marachino. Ng'ia. Okaoni. Obo gitanda moroma kataini wuon.
Kiduogi bet piny kiparo.
Anti-jokes, those are not jokes. Those are not content. One age of content creators, we are expected to create content every day for the biggest media house in Central Eastern Africa. But we don't go as such. Okay, tuna speed gana kakirwa kuri kakitule oso kakitima olosu. And more so the fact no wacho no wadongo. Wangisonu, there's a reason. The fact we don't go away from experience. 6 years ago, kaningisa na uwoko di kama. Uwoko di kama na alito mama wata ena senior principal. Baba wa is retired principal. My uncle is, idwangisama. My friend, Mungu yupo na najali kila mtu. Idwapinga. Na bado pokiwe umyange.
Ingeni kumakoro chopene.
Of course, to my amazing people, my name is Edgo Dhiambo and I am a freelance journalist from Nairobi, Kenya. Hakikisha kama unapata kutune in ndani ya LTN, that is Luo Trending Nation. Hapa, this is the home of all supportive channel ambao so far imepata kuwa kwenye industry and so far inafanya vyema sana, imekuwa ikipromote sana wasanii kutoka the Luo land, that is called the Luo Nation, wanapata kuchipuka kutoka kwa channel kama hii. Guys, hakikisha kama unapata kusubscribe, bonyeza alama ya subscribe ufike 100k subscribers. Kazi safi sana hapo, chapa kazi.
Luo Trending Nation, LTN, the best ahead of the rest.
Sawa, we are good to go to Kauna Rateng. Alandoga. Ani mangera.
Mari kwa chacha dieri. Rangi to noko wichi maber.
Alandoga. Mane mo koro kakulina lando accept.
Ilando by inside.
Dongo kwan wede.
Intestine.
No, are we relatives?
One wede.
Say yes or no. Are we relatives?
One wede, yes.
No.
Ngataro gitype ne.
Igeni bende sani. Kata kwa wacho.
Ng'eyo yare nyaka ne mama puonja en wuoyi malando nege umama.
Iya nyongato koro.
Mano.
Let's go back to
Okay. We are there.
Na dwago but sawa.
Back to
Anyalo answer that.
Okay. Back to Ajako's class.
We are in.
Ineno, weru matin. Engimanaka in my lifetime translated. Engimanaka. Asanya ni sanduku tingo giji aporo. Ukibitingo sanduki kende, ukibitiko sanduku manuke. Bori kunyo giji apakare. Moso. Watchman nyangi siendi odicha. Ng'ato nodonjo giri ok bitima inalingana na vile umekaa na watu. Ibo fwenyo ni wuoye kamera, a million people are reaching you. Iwuoke mtoka. To ni se yenyo kaka ingi pesa ichopo. Tibo fwenyo ni okinyal loko tae. Ibo fwenyo ni okinyal dhiro mtoka ni kendi. They are very small things, very important. Iwiyo. Ibo do ka koro mama mboga mama ngado ni mboga cha. Bongisi ni ngama ingo no. Momosi no tujakuwa chungana na simu yangu setimire na mbere. To mana kakitima. To kiwuoyo kamacha. To gin my insight ni ndo uchukue hiyo simu yako. Kuwa na akiba ya maneno. Men wa monyuola that I celebrate so much. No misani kido mbala. Timgo moro ka wuonu mari. Mind the next 10 years. Kama to robo kodi. To wuoyo maber kwa kodi. Ibo biro ose yenyo photo. Ibo biro kode dalawa. Wano kwange ni en content. Ibo kelo nwanyari no korwa to wacho ni madonge mano wacho ni madonge jajaga cha. Ntigima katuhero kuhero in social media that not acceptable in the society. Onge ngamba boyeno wadwa katobeda. Onge ngamba boyeno wadwa kendo nyako madioga e kamera. To kaniambo ango moji teko misgini ni chuor ngane to giringo. No, I'm not telling you, I'm ashamed. My mother, I want to apologize. I'm not in fact, how do I work in your corner? I'm not everybody who comes close to you must distance themselves from you.
Peri lingeni ajak ngeni wuoya.
No. I paid you give my red me niero. Everybody who comes close to her and say I'm the boyfriend, must apologize to the public. Those are the those are pointers. Those are eye openers that I'm talking to you about.
And red flags.
Yes, Omari will not bring that to my house or to me as a big sister and they want me to accept. Because I neither do that. I know when to stop. This excuse me, you see you ilikuwa content, ilikuwa na act, hakuna.
Yeah, tuna act too. It's acting.
Tonitindo mangiri, kiyudo ka koro chopo ni kuminya yudo attention and gonyo lewni wuoth duk, you've lost it, my sister. You've fucking lost it. I'm telling you on your face. When you lose everything, your brain, your eyes, your face, to the point that you need to show people your nakedness, you've lost it. Call me backward, call me anything you want. You fucking lost it.
Omari, you've lost it.
Ampo kalonyore kamera we. Angi mana ngena dwa na team. Maberil be poko wacho ne rach. En choko.
Bas. Kanyi ngeni poko bu.
Choko krach kata no chokna, but choko nenga. To enrich yourself. To enrich yourself.
Okiwinjo ka.
Omari.
Kanga to wacho ni
Omari, Benz, kidwa dak runda. Put in some work. Go to school. Get papers. Get experience. Get
Omari.
money. The money will follow you.
igeni abedo kaendi kawinjo wechego to gini aduogo aparo gimoro achiel. Omari ng'eni wechegi nyaka wawinj gi sama maber, to gini nyaka iwinj ki in gimoro achiel. Parane ni Shosho chamo ang'o, odak kanye. Shosho dhi dak nade? Nying'eni
To
nokuoma.
the point bugolo ng'ato ka odawa Monica. Nokete kamera ni ng'ombe tuma ng'ombe.
Mapangale. Ya were. Bana dak ng'ato menyero. Bana menyero kama duong.
Bana.
Put in some work. Get the capital. Do things. It's a Sunday.
Beryl.
I'm still trying to work with you people.
Okay, maybe it's only your definition of work that is different from us. Is it not work? If I can strain, in fact, some of us are doing
10 hours. 10 hours.
Because remember that they have to be there when you people are relaxing. At that particular point where in a normal situation, body is tired, you need to retire somewhere, at least you retire in your bed, you relax. Ita modendi nenda. Manda mondo mini wachini.
So Citizen TV olora mugiro olor. CNN olor. Netflix
BBC.
olor. BBC olor. In Okaran bana. So that's the entertainment. Okaran. And we are told to learn a new thing every day. So I want to exercise my brain and learn a new thing. Adegi kumiyani.
Have I not learned? Nekarelia nyalo beru business? Or you've not heard where people are collecting millions?
You're brought in jail. Kwanza imi wako kori manini kienu tiri jail migine ni bro follow.
Abiro odi ka pesa. Awacha
Iyoro kendi.
Mama kiwe.
Idhia.
Dawa kiwe. Yeda ito baraja kwe. Gire.
Ana kujitinde obiro to wacha ni you are spending money with falling into. Okay, you dada beri go mondi moro. Machunyiraj.
Udwa tima ngo.
And I can afford a lawyer.
You afford a lawyer take me over 10,000.
Okay, now only 10,000. You've used my family to abstain.
Komana wacho kumaru.
No, let me tell you.
Ngeni kata angono bingeni kose winjo ni adwa nyiew ne sanduk ma 60,000.
No, man, this family is coming out to protest this thing. I'm asking you, me atio gini yudo burial moro, Ramondi kidora moro somewhere.
Machungiricho. And they can afford a lawyer.
And they can afford. Tichako tiyogi mama gini to get money and you what? Joka tamo protest ni nyatima usogi nene okoni gobeni tiyogi ni baba gimen pastor. I'm telling you guys, the shit can go down. With me it can go down. Ni luogo baba gini jeteto baba gini pastor. The shit will go down. I will serve it to you nicely. Neatly. Fine.
But okay. Don't get brother and sister. Brother was somewhere defending.
Magito imposters. They're not even related. I'm talking about Ibiro. Iwinjo. Ibiro. Ikawu no moni idora mora. That is me and my brother. Ichako choko goma inken baba wanuteru. My friend, I will serve him nicely. You don't play with my parents' legacy. I protect it for all.
Mano tokare koro business no teme mosari dore.
Igani
osiepe ko yire.
Igani.
Pokaya.
Omari gege kanene. Igani twadhi uso tong' e ndara.
So jadi mose uso tong' e ndara to gin gigorofu.
So many.
You guys are just greedy. Give it time, give it your all, give your best.
And lazy, eh?
Yes.
Lazy to a way.
And greedy.
Lazy the one endo.
I bet you get footballers that succeed. They come from somewhere. I've read Ronaldo's
work rate.
There's growth in everything, and the universe will fall.
And respect.
Yes, even Wakinainda, Emmalan. Give me all the new names. They started from somewhere. The universe God will give you what you want.
But one you know what you act why you do gari.
You want it easy.
Kawuona chieo ni to pesa mar gari.
Why you want it easy? The God above is a just God. Mtakuwa prison.
Utakufa vibaya wewe.
Utakufa vibaya wewe.
Gimang'eyo. Okanya to jela. Koka abira omeudi. Mana pin mana namba to in niketo to donje oda.
Iketo M-Pesa di. Kito pin.
You will get to tackle people who went to school. You will get to tackle people who know their rights. You will get to tackle people in this world. And that's the way they will say that's your karma. You will come for me and I don't care who is bullying me. You come for my mother, you come for my father, you come for my family. The shit is going down. TikTok watakuchangia lakini I'm taking you down with you and I don't care. I don't care.
Ilaro kodanga matho. Mana tie ge nyinga ge picha moro mabe matin.
Tingeni bokanya we no?
Okay, I don't have parents right now. I hold my 2 siblings to my heart.
Medal juice.
Kiko bede joke. Kiki what jokes ni. Anything ariyo. Inyikuwa mama wangu. It's not a game. It's not a child's play.
Remember we are coming here.
That's my brother, my friend.
Remember we are coming here. We are coming in that barrier with the V8 and TXS.
Itanisaidia na nini? Itamfufua.
We are coming there in a way.
Utalipa bills zenye daktari alikuwa analipa. Wewe utanisaidia na mawaidha daktari anatupatia. Kwa sababu wewe ni yako.
LTN bike tugino live.
Alafu
ilogo de state function.
As a host, I'm a host of Nini. KLTN Biro are coming as a friend and say funeral ya burial itahostiwa na Nini for free. It's not a chance for you to make money. It's not the time for you to buy a Benz. It's not the time for you to ride an Audi. It's not the time for you to move from Donholm to Karen, my friend.
No don pesa no kataka no kachoke. Dongena ina gimolal.
Ni dongo lala.
Nikech ne jok ngene ha jok ino biki ai.
Kora penjo mari KLTN ko biro dalawa. Jok bigine. Opondo girok bika.
Kuma gidiki. Problem
no maber going out of marino.
But 2 million ma joke ne dhi
golo. Let you watch my parents funeral. Look at that.
Koro 2 million ni ogele.
Hakuna mtalilia.
Koro wanyeo ga nyabi. Wanyeo ga nyabi ginene CX
2 million. Mono dwe wuok ni ogele kama because
no mari rit mama wuot to choke liende.
Amanti wono marach wajo.
I choke rit mama wuot to choke liende.
Ya vaya ukoja iko. Kasi eri mama to ma okay mama to biro to but maruni te osepo.
Mi mege ji bi ko boni mondo.
Mara to biro to.
Omari gimati barani ya. Gimomiyo bende ingena Jacob ko understand gimomiyo. Wacho ni my business manyaka wachaki nikech Omari okinya kona ni adhi liel mar ngato to chokne over 5 million achaka dhi machielo ochokne over 5 million ango mamona majirandwa cha ukodho okawad ni baba
baba tu we
oh you love your father
mama ke baba
you love your father you are there Kawuna mako weakness.
Very corny.
Kawuna mako weakness. This guy loves his father.
No.
Kora no penji. Ibet kamoro. Pinyo ko inyango. Baba wonenda. Tino kama tayo ka TikTok to ko what. To choko gi Facebook.
Bado to walo lagi. Maro to kono mawalo
but kanyo wanyalo draw the line
yenyo tembe
but koro mato one
are you know audience Kizom, amake. Amake.
No, Marwa, to we are call for help.
In any way that you can.
But
man,
help.
With the help.
Kwase choko 2 million.
Koro wakil.
To balance.
Wang'eyo ni wamiyo wuodi.
Nikech million to dongo oromo wabiro. Kasto million bwanyalo chamo to 500 wanyalo miyo.
Unyalo to million 3 million to mar.
Automatically wani muno akamu ya iria wani majogi followers wa.
Wani temuru timo gik makelo gweth.
To ywak eliel.
Katiyo gi body umotho mi 500,000 nus million. That's not a blessing. Kendo ngata will be saying like kamano.
Tim gik mamomi gweth. Podan money, tim gik mamomi gweth. Nitie a sign moro or a supreme power up here that they call karma or whatever. Follow you. Mtoka minyo gi 3 million mani choke lenda wano nyalo ko di live pale bangi mo ko yudi inge live pale kumikalo ka kuje
kumo the pincha kacha
Maimayu
kacha chiwo for example
can you so terrifying
wacha teliari mwalo
wacha kata Thika Road
there's a supreme
Thika Road raj Moningo waji egale ni ati ni iduoko gari
Kagundo Road
Kagundo wewe Bona ngomi anga
ma inyati kode kumudu arama inyati kode mana kitengela kitanga
bacho
to ochomo witrela ter waningeni omari ngeni wan jondara wan jondara geche matindo ka biro samo overtake
angomi un serious ki wachi aja wewe
wa jondara sama gari matin biro wacho ni bia
that was not stupid Awa henga mnasema mimi nimechukua hiyo niko mbele niko driving seat ya wamanyanya nyanya mnasema tume live long to tell you something
gari manyene nyalo test go bump nyalo test go
but we will live long ne u discourage you from you know okay it is also said gewa henga go it is very difficult to teach old dogs new tricks.
Are you an old dog? Don't watch sisi ni wazee. Si nyinyi ni maniu.
To don't
yani
si mimi nyinyi sisi ni wazee. Si nyinyi maniu. So
yes.
Teaching you.
No, it is difficult to teach old dogs new tricks.
New tricks. Bewa henga walisema. What an old person can see sitting, you'll never see it, Omari, because it's from experience.
Ndalocha Google le poko biro.
Koro jine bedo piny ndaluka.
Ma Google nitie maber. Gi zooming lens. Ko zooming lens.
Angomi baba uto ni teke.
Inge gik ma gigi biro go maraj. Ni samoro ng'ato ni kata mana siling 50 babau. To in samoro ne chunye lit ma ikata kaka jogi solo like you can't fall. Ka ina dier ma Nyasaye. Ana woro kaka jomoko nigi chir ma kata chuore to nyalo follow ma little side ngane pare poko.
Odia kangisi ka len be okabi apologize ngech magi matimo ga. Ang'iyo gibedo marach. Ni bet gi chiemo kamera mi yanya mi wachna ni umekaa hapo na njaa utalala njaa nimekwambia nimekuahidi. Kama beri langelia wewe utalia. There's a time I never thought I would cry.
But you cried.
So I'm telling you, the universe rotates. And there's a supreme human being up on there. Na wahenga kama mimi walikuwa shapitia ndio maana walikuwa naongea.
I have an innocent question.
Ask me.
Beryl, now you are a celebrity. Whether you like it
like that name. I'm
or
not
not.
a celebrity.
But that is the truth.
I'm a public figure.
But you are celebrated somewhere.
I'm celebrated and people look up to me.
Very nice.
For I'm a teacher,
very
I'm an
nice.
advisor, and I want to hold it up.
Very good.
And people think I'm a very sober person.
Very good. Yes. So that's why I refer that one to be a celebrity, because you can be celebrated, you can be consulted and something. Ngato nyalo na yudo ka ngato moro machalo kaka jaro soja. Oka ogute mondo ikoni osiep Raymond Omol. nyiso ni sani kan kumoro ng'ato nyalo wacho ni hey domo osiep Jackie. It means I can in gi following maber. These followers gin ga funny. We mondo koni gimo miyo ji timo awkward. I want to talk about two things that sometimes may force you to do these things. Let me start. Mana kaka ni wacho ni nitiere gik moko bedo accepted in the society, but some people will find themselves doing them. One, nen wer moleng. Eyoda. Nyaka warawe kitanda, kopedho, kolonyo, kotango, kogine, kondeko. Any most songs. And such songs, ibro yudo kotim negi challenge mang'eny sana. Why? Because fans are intending to go on the negative side. Those things that are not accepted in the society, those are the things that they...
How long do those songs take?
I've not talked of how long they are. But now let me ask, at that time, Magi Sapoti, you are at the peak and you can make one or two things. And gimora mora kata sana mwatimo, itimo mondo at least ine impact. If ka lonya zip matin temia kamera and kamera magombo. Kari what about ka golo long tema dongi onyasa tinyalo meda moro kari. What about ka yalo meda okay. Rito te kanyalo wacho ni nikech no wacho ni tema ne juu chini kari chini ni kelo. We amed time. Kech wacho ni janeko kotimo gimoro achiel to mira bolo jomoko bonyero kino chako duogi. Iwinjo no layo kino duogo piel kanyo because gicha encourage.
Umore.
Umore. So look at our fans. Before we correct our these people that are a camera, nitiere jok moluongo ni steering energy. Ng'ato nowacho ni kineno ka guok gwea sasa to ng'ama sike nitie. Sika.
I want to answer you before you go far. I'm talented. I respect that. You're not going to tell me that I'm talented. 360 degrees. Huh? But my mother had a point of telling me, get education. My parents took me to school. I'm a trained journalist. And Roll Media has trained me. Every year, right now, I am doing short courses. And I have to report back to the college. I studied everything that I do. I'm a content creator. I created myself. You cannot create me. I created myself. I research. I look at my audience. I don't respond to my audience. I'm an unpredictable. Today you do this, today you do this. Yes, I am training right now. I'm expected to have done short courses. These are 1 hour. By July, I should be having not less than 20. I'm enrolled in LinkedIn.
LinkedIn.
So Roll Media expect me to go to class for 1 hour every day to learn. Knowledge is power. I will always go back and refer to people and tell them, go back to school because knowledge is power. Is power. The moment you respond to your audience, you lose it. Mnasemanga mimi ni mwalimu kwa peji yangu. Nimesema. The moment you respond to your audience, why did you start? Where do you see your product? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Shun what you resent. Look at the market. Look at how it works in the market. Jackie is researched. People think it's just about, and I want to correct this. It's not about that dress that guy puts on. I act with him. I research that content. Jackie is not taken to the airwaves just like that. There's a storyline. That the lyrics, there are lyrics about that story. I'm the one who is writing it. I will never respond. Yes, kila mtu akona import yake in that program. I listen. That I don't interact with people, but during comments, me usoma. What you want, what. Everyone thinks that Jackie is just stupid. That's why Jackie's results are not out. Nani alisema Jackie ni mjinga? The audience wanafikiria she's just a normal girl. She's what everybody thinks that a normal girl is doing. At that age in secondary, she's doing everything that a Nini is doing. Huh? Don't don't be shocked kama Jackie amekuwa daktari na amekuja kufunza watu. I'm the right of that thing. Never respond to your audience. Never respond to the market. What makes you you and stand out Omari or Ombuti is you. Manielewa? That's why I followed you, Omari. Mpaka stick to that thing. Si ndio? Nikikwambia wacha kucheka sana, unatubo. Wacha my friend utacheka sana alafu upatane na mtu kama bila sema uchalisibu fala anataka kicheka. So kwa kama fulani Ombuti sijui nini, you can never beat somebody at being themselves.
Yes.
Nikwambia ukwe Minjaki wezi, Minjaki akona content yake inatoka hata 100 na ni surprise kwa set. That nigga is funny. There's nothing you're telling me. I'm also a Christian. Mbona mnasema Minjaki ni mbaya na msemi Madia, the richest comedian in the world, is putting on women's clothes? I'm challenging you that.
Macha tokoro naye nagine.
No. I'm responding to this. You've given me a forum to respond. Is Madia funny? Is Madia gay? No, he's saved. He's in the church. Anavaa ile nguo. He's celebrated, kila mtu anasema Madia. He has the best. Movies zake ziko na nini? Si ndio?
Jok menene wacho go tingena okutem kata research makata Madia.
So I'm saying me I research. Kata Madia, no, from here they're going to find out who Madia.
But kigindek ni Madia. The audience tafadhali wendiko kanyo ni Madia.
Jo mipuonjo go okutem kata research. Ngeni ito samoro kapok gibire kamera.
Today in the morning I was sitting and I thought I want to do a podcast about this. Ben was my father in the industry. Ben used to read. Our best presenters read. Today in the morning, before he came here, I was in Najimo and she had 5 books to read for those programs she's doing, because you have to stay at the top. How do you make people listen to you for 20 years or 19 years or 15 years? You read, you research. It's not about, hey, Kawuna Biroka. What makes you stay at the top?
The research.
One of the rules of this, it's not never respond to your audience. You're the masterpiece. You're not a copycat. So you're not going to refer to somebody somewhere. Stick to your game. Do it well. And remember, I'm not Jackie. I'm a senior producer for our media. I make these people. I advise these people. I talk to them every day. I'm telling you what I'll tell them. What makes you unique? Wewe hata huwa ugari kwa kamera, enda ugari uone vile audience wako wenye wanakupenda wanakutoroka.
The fake ones will come, but the original one.
Luo Trending Nation. Mopandi Inyenyo Elela.
Omarini is a is the CEO of LTN.
Yes, and you see, Omari is the CEO of LTN.
Yes.
We met as friends and LTN was there. But when I've been putting my input, I tell him now, you, my brother, stop there. Don't do that. Do this, do this. Where do you see LTN in the next 5 years? It's in my place to ask. I'm transferring knowledge from the other side to this side. You see? So when I go to the camera and I see, I'm not so heavy on TikTok, I'm like, yes. He's no longer, yes. We are somewhere. We need to move. I told you to look for that book from me. The spoken word. Ujawai niuliza niko hapa. Nobody will ever celebrate you for being vulgar in this world. Never.
Todonga yagi buguno kawuono ka.
Nobody. The power of the spoken word.
Kawuono is the day Momari beki kidiketi bugune botanda. They saw bugno.
No, he has to bring it back. I have a library, so yes, it has to be kept.
My friend. Ambe we kora chak pakora matin.
Pakri.
Ke de e Simba na Madala. Malo matin madonjo ka agutorano. I have books there.
Omari reads. He's teaching his audience that is insane. No, my dear.
Omari reads. For those people,
when I talk to him, he's reading.
audience, Jok Monge Omari personally Omari is reading.
For free. The nigga reads. Otherwise, you cannot be friends. Me and him, we cannot be friends.
He has something inside here.
This guy is a teacher.
By profession.
Why is he doing productions? Why is he doing podcasts? You have to read about it. You just don't move like an idiot. You have to research what you're doing.
Ajago ongeza teacher by profession.
He's a teacher by profession.
Thank you.
Now he's in the media and he's doing podcasts and he reads about it.
Yes.
At no point Omari, I'm one person who cannot cheat me that you don't read. Even how the microphone works, mic placement, sound delivery. You read. But you're cheating your audience to be stupid.
Not stupid.
Stupid.
Inyalo somo tok konyi.
Inyalo bedo boki somo, but konyi. We itiyo.
Donge neno ka the same thing that you are saying. Professor dwaro ngamono sikulo tamo makwo woche no kone woche. Koro ok ne wundo audience na amiyo gi mo. Ni kopone liel nyalo kelo. Chamliel.
Okay, pesa mimi ile nchero ga nchero mtoka kusitere books.
Okineno jomosi participate liel go ngema magidago.
Yudaka.
Like they are living
KFC, pizza.
Nikech giwacho e kamera to seje magi yanyore. I pay attention to details. When you speak, I look for what you are not saying. Be as buried. Okato na rie. Aduo, aseno gik mang'eny. My man bought me this. Alafu wacho ni hata hiyo fridge mimi ndo nilijibaia.
Lakini koro
huyu hakuwa ananisaidia na mimi
lakini koro ngeni bende kocha kwa dugo chien. Kopo ni wawacho ni mawere gi tij mare yuak gi mar gine mar lielo mari. Kama kwa manya tich ni koro watiyo makoro wach TikTok yani koro watimo mana content mwa post. Onge ne yuak ni onge ne timengo ni koro tie tiji mangato ngeni ngane to tie kamoro. Pod jogi fans nigi kata jogi ne gi endi pod biro wacho ni ya beril choweke. Ajako cho.
Our previous podcast, me I don't care what you're saying about.
Kapo ki wuogi nyama timo jogi. Wuogi ma fans.
Me I don't care what you're saying about me.
Gina magimi uji press.
No. People
Ngato romo kodi kumbe una gari.
People think I'm dating you. Is that my problem?
It's their problem.
Is that my problem?
Manto problem ge?
Manoto marge.
It just means that they're watching us.
It means that they are there.
So they're not going to drive me to stop doing content with you to please them that I'm not dating you.
And we are here because of them.
Yes.
Hey.
Lisa, if you think I'm dating him, sawa.
Tukoro kipani katambe ndio weka. Sawa. To pesa okmari ngama weka no complain wawinjire uru ngama weka no aningeni ngama weka genda nyalo wacho nyinga nyasa chelo mari kawuono awacho nyinga ngama weka kenda kuna audience an kawuono ngama weka omari kada ka jako winjo ngama weka en coach mane ma every month ayudo pesa machamo machulo go rent
kada ajako wacho ya.
And you see, you've just given them what they want. Where I get my money, what I do in my life is not a problem. Consume the product, not me.
So that is what Ajako is saying. Because
Ajako and Beryl are not, we can never marry.
Oknyal mix.
You are my students and I want you to learn this. Give less of Michael. You know it's Michael. Give less of Nation. Si umeweka Omodi in the public, Somebody, hiyo ndo wa consume. Si umeweka Omari, wa consume. Si ya Ajako ndo wa consume, wa consume. My children, my family are not part of this journey.
Mama tuodala.
Ni Omari ni pok nuketo nwa kata dhako ginene.
That's your problem. That's your problem.
Ombuti ni okunyombi.
That's not
Ne.
anybody's.
Leave alone that. Have you ever seen my toilet? My toilet.
Ngamunge chona sani wache.
Ero kota ya about.
No, that's not your problem.
Watie kogini, lakini watie ke paro mopogore. Anto kaka pile okanyal de machal gi Jackie. Yoturwa. Liele makelo.
Industrial tukabi. Promise.
Choklia.
Choka ndio lakini industrial area ukabi gozi.
Kar choka.
Choklia tungio dala mabeto fofo tonge gimoro.
Mok nyala afford gide.
Mok nyala afford lawyer. Kari wachoki tuwangi jok mok nyala afford.
Mane mochoko negi. Mage mo wacho ni man koro an wangni. Gwengwa. Amanya ngato mangeni ok nyala afford lawyer mopuni nyalo.
Kasto jochoko chiem gi ji jok moko chiemo gogo ema golugo ga
kopo nu winjoru kopo nu winjoru ni wagawa kama pogni apoga kamano
mar jomoko kusechoke bere lena magini kelo shi jin ngato neno ne mar jomoko to nyocho kete ne committee mo ochieme maber kabisa to ma koro dwa kao kende e pesa ni biro ka e simba
spread the risk we say spread the risk just spread the risk don't be greedy
what it is
yes spread the risk means ni yani new stakeholders
meku
data max stakeholders onge ngama bupuodhi ai
ngamene
no runo rie kwa puonju kwelo
Ngamine nuka complain ene namba ni choke.
Ene michako namba ni choke. Ene gine stock.
Ene number 1.
You can do TikTok ni. Who are the stakeholders? Spread the risk.
Mono million donji.
Yes.
Ile no donji kendi.
Kwa nyalre. Spread.
Omari. Adikaka.
Mari mokadho wagi chiro.
Adikaka.
Ichilaje.
Adigo chiro ship na maoni awendo. Kuna nene ya ngamani mochari kanyo magwengwa.
Semi adala you say you hard just like saying content creation needs research.
You have to do research.
Yes.
Dokoro. Ngamani mochari kanyo. Ningane.
Sell your idea first to the family. Let them back you up.
Omari.
You cannot start from the top.
Bede ginamba
Masao hichako giego. Hichako grassroots.
This guy was your pastor. Go back to the farm, do your research.
Then Godfather.
You work Dala, we work in Nairobi.
You work Nairobi kapoki dineno.
You work Dala we faint.
I'm coming with this, I'm coming with 1 million. You promised the family 1 million.
So they're like, huh?
They fraud. You are the face.
What do we get TikTok? What do we get TikTok to quotation?
They come in, everything you say.
Inya kata mana mako gigisimbi malerno. You watching yawa one joda la gisimbi.
Sell the idea first and lie properly. Be an actress like me.
So research nyakatele field more and
more. Obali.
Sell the loopholes. Who is the favorite son? Who is the richest son? Who are the most Yes, who is chairing this committee? Yes.
Mage miketo pamoja ikono genia.
When you appear in public, you are backed up with this family.
Money ngeni bechuno ni nyaka invest kech samedeno be nyaka wene 10,000 mamari.
No, mama be pesa maonge. It's an investment. You're looking for money here. Research. How much do you need to get this, and what are the problems?
Profit and CX5.
You've done your investment and you look at your targets. You don't just.
Mese wacho ne wena uru sanduku wena lao
wena uru mochari koro mano kwa
moto igeni ka ukigeni
mani kori yon the whole thing.
Just say my father is dead and fly there.
Usego picha gi family kirwako
we are in a meeting maina dana no right
okne you are to bedroom.
The most important, you are in this committee, the most important people in this family, and they're feeding you. There's nothing beats like telling a good lie.
And then family are in contact is in each opokani.
Yes.
Itimo nango maire ka we
no, be a good liar. Give us the juice. Go back to that family.
Nyere liel
igeni gibachaka duga paro mari. Nyocha hii kusiepna 2 weeks ago. Macho siepna mane wang'iyo go mane watiyo go kamoro achiel. To ne rach na kaneno ka ng'ato nyiero. Koro just imagine ni ng'ato dugo wacho ni baba wa kata minwa ni watne. To macho no siepna mane watiyo go kamoro achiel to ne wang'oe yani ng'ato nyiero.
Ober kaka neno kaka aberi wacho.
I'm telling you that will come from experience. You must move as a unit.
Nyakitim.
You cannot take it away.
Nutiyo kanye.
I know how the biggest media house works. You don't move as a... There's a sole place. They move from one unit. So that everyone is speaking the same.
Kata kanisa mano yao.
If you're going for this product, we go for training. And then when we come into Popa, we are speaking the same language, we're selling the same product. Hakuna mtu atakuja kupop holes till the loopholes.
Ingeno mari mae mane ben kuro chwe thumni iwacha wacha mani ngini sareo.
No, Pokinero kiwacha ni the pros and cons. How is it going to affect? Magi banyitino kia.
Hapa ni kanyo to en failure. Koro next time tangeka kwa digine. Imako aseneno ka gigien mana makuji adek. Imako stakeholders madhi pingi. But ikonge chako gi grassroots. Koro kisedhi grassroots inge research, inge mano nyuole, inge
nyithinde ginang'o giromo kanyo.
Maka poke donyo no wach pesa to nise kuonge miyo wayuolo ji.
Yes.
Moromo wa. Kasti imanyo kuonde moko mutuch dala chama ki mention to late. Kokini chiege maduong' kore late. Chiege matini.
Nyathine ni goria nyacha. Machielo ni goria nyacha. Moro yo kuot wakiana ng'o matimo.
Sell your narrative. Nicely.
Give a letter. Ni moro koro to eka ede CBC. Anyango de kojore dare.
Kore ka yo kuot.
Weche mopondo, weche mopandi, inyenyo elela.
Kineno kokuo kuomi matiende ni onge.
Isebe.
Ne sigana mamulo ngimani, sigand joluo, joajawa.
Jothum mokwongo kapok waduogo kuom joangla. Ong'eane life mar jothum gi familia margi. Ineno.
Luo Trending Nation ni ong'ala manyime mar gundo ni wechegi kaka gitimore kod ng'ama otimogi maonge deo wang'.
Ochiem to chiem mariek nikech be samoro.
Tudri kodwa seche duto, ndalo duto, kinde duto e tong wang' mbui mar YouTube, TikTok, Facebook mondo yudu wechegi kamora mora maintie mana kar bedo.
Kete mana kai. Kete mana kokidwa kete kata wabro keti gi thuon.
Luo Trending Nation, LTN, the best ahead of the rest.